Hello, I'm Gina. Today I gotta make something simple, the little thing. I gotta make sesame cookies. And then I need all of this. Already I prepare. And now we need the flour, we need the sugar and milk, 2 eggs, 2 sticks of butter, baking powder, a little salt, and 1 lemon, but just the skin, and the vanilla, little vanilla, and that's sesame, see, this is it. And I have a little flour on the side in case I need, okay, I no need, I no use, okay, and this is it, and now we start. This is the flour, and now in the flour, I put the baking powder, go here, a little salt, I put it here, okay? And you mix a little bit, you gotta mix a little bit. All right? And this is the flour, this is the flour. Now I go over there. This is the burro. 2 sticks of the burro. And they come here. And then I start with the mix. In the mix we can put the sugar. All right, that's the sugar. Now we put the eggs, that's the eggs, okay? And now we gotta put 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I gotta put 2 teaspoons of vanilla. One. Tutto this, okay? And this is it. And we're done with this. Let it do more here. Okay, this look okay. Now we put this down. I got to put little lemon. It's okay, see? See? Just the yellow one, just the yellow, yeah? All right, that's it, that's enough. Now we put the flour here. And you start to put the flour, okay? This is a milk. You put a little milk, little bit at a time, okay? All right, that's what they look like, you see? I finish with the machine. Now, I clean up a little bit. You see the milk? You don't have to pour, sometimes you don't have to pour all the milk. Because when you see the dough is okay, not put the milk anymore. See? That's what they look like. They're supposed to be. It's a little, no hard and no soft, you know. Little like this. See? This is it. Yeah? This is the dough. Okay? And now, I put over here, I want to put a little bit of flour. Just a little bit of flour, like this. And I put it here. I need something. Let me see, then I'll come off, all right. All right, that's it done. And that's the dough. See? Just like this, you can put it. That's nice. Look how nice and soft. See? It's not too much, just a little bit. We need more. You can put over here. Now you cover with the plastic like this. You have to stay in the refrigerator about 4 or 5 minutes. And it's already for making cookies, okay? And this is it. Okay? You put in the refrigerator and we make cookies. Okay, 45 minutes in the refrigerator, look. And this is it. Yeah? That's the dough now. It's still in the paper. You take it off of the paper like this. You gotta find the place, the way they're supposed to put it back. Okay. And that's it. That's the dough. See? That's very cool. Was in the refrigerator. So let me put this little here. I just take one piece like this. And then you gotta make a long. Gotta make a long like this. Maybe over here I make a 3 piece. 1, 2, they come 4. That's all right. Some a little big, some a little small anyway. That's okay. Then you put over here. You put a nice over here. Nice over here. Yeah. You just roll in here and then you put over there. Roll over here and then you put over here. It's very easy. This the cookies. It's very easy. It's very easy, very easy. I cut another one. Yeah, that's it. Nice, is it? Okay, let me see. 1, 2, 3. You can make it like this. This was too much. So you put it here. You put it here. All right. So, okay, this is already. Now I put in the oven, okay? This I put in the oven. Okay. Okay. Now we at 3:15 at the oven. By half hour. But you gotta look at when you see the color is nice, you put out. And then I make the other. I do the rest. I do the other one. Okay, I finish. You see? I finish all the dough I was to make. Now, about 50 minutes in the oven. Let me check what they look like, okay? This is 50 minutes. They need a little more. But I want to turn the trail. I want to turn this. Then they, like this. And then they cook all even. No, when you turn, they cook all even. They can stay at least another 5 minutes. Okay? Okay, I finish. That's what they look like, you see? That's what they look like, the cookies. So I gotta enjoy myself now. I gotta eat one. I have a cup of coffee, and cookies. I take one. I want to take one like this. Let me see. You see? That's what they look like. They're nice and crunchy. This is a nice crunchy. See how nice they come? They look nice, they look. Yeah. They're very crunchy, nice. Nice, with the coffee. This one is very good. What am I gonna say? This is it's easy to make. I was look like it's easy to make. And when you make, it's nice and crunchy, see? And now, at this one, when I make a cookies, I know I make a lot of cookies because every day we said Rosario. At my house, I said Rosario 5 days a week. And we used to make a coffee after Rosario. We have a little coffee and cookies. We pray for everybody. We pray for all the world. All the world, we need peace. We need a lot of peace for this world. So, and we pray. And so that's my life I do now. We said Rosario, we pray, and we stay all together. Thank you for watching me. Like I said, it's easy. Everybody can make this. It's very easy. I want to say God bless everybody. And peace all world peace. We gotta pray, okay? And I love you people. I love you all the world. Okay, bye.